What's up? How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are safe and you're staying inside so that we can hurry up and get back outside sooner rather than later. So something I get asked all the time is what exhaust mods I have done for my Charger Scat Pack. So actually the only thing that's done to my exhaust is there's a resonator delete. Obviously this makes it a lot louder. I really like the sound, even over some of the aftermarket exhausts that I've heard. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what a cold start sounds like with that.